Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again, my people. We still there still on the matter of Ebony Obasuyi, the matter where they trend for inside social media for the past how many days now. So now the matter now say they go on, my people. Iyomo one of Spain don't come outside, can't deliberate on Ebony matter. But the one where she take come outside, oh my God, she finish Ebony, she break the remaining table where with the manage they go. Iyomo no dey smile. I throw a salute for you, mama. My people, everybody know who be this Iyomo now. One elderly woman wey be Edo Iye for Spain. So she can't deliberate on the matter, can't still talk her own side of the story. So she say she know Ebony and wetin Ebony dey do say e no good. My people, wetin Iyomo talk, my people. Hey, she scatter table. She say Ebony too dey proud, say e no good for am. You understand? He say Ebony no build house, Ebony get, e never even get land, something like that. He say so why Ebony go dey talk say the one wey people don get, they not be, that one not be better one, this and this. He say Ebony dey eke one room with im mama. Na the apartment where Ebony rent near im mama dey. Okay, that one another part. She say they really dey do vanga Ebony Obasuyi. He say because this Ebony Obasuyi, he say he get one guy, even the screen touch the picture where they take to vanga and dey with am. He say he dey with am. He say the picture dey with am. The person even send the picture, come give am. Say this Ebony, they fit Colombian with 50 euro. To the extent sef, they no go come even give am the 50 euro. They will come use am and take buy food stuff for house, maybe for last how many days. He said make she change her way. He say e no good. Ebony don enter another problem. He say na Ebony na person wey like before. He say immediately Ebony start to dey waka with 18 local government. The Zobo mistress. My people, some people get mad too. EJ I throw away saloto. He said since when Ebony come dey waka with the Zobo mistress, the chair lady of all the Zobo, wey dey Benin, the person where the chair lady where e dey Zobo for all 18 local government area for Edo State, Esther Edokpayi. He say since when he start to dey waka with that one, he say her life your dabaru. Now there you know say this girl, she don't waka, she don't pass her boundary. You understand? He said when Ebony they waka alone, they waka with the Sharon, you know be like that. He said, but immediately located 18 local government mama. When I hear that story that year, my people, he said from there, now Ebony comes spoil for native daughter Junction. Now there she come they do all sham where she don't know. He say e no good. He say any sham where they use money they do. Like so to do sham now, use money use money do sham now. Sham has it. Now there the money, all the money will work. Now there they pass, they go. He said now that since that day when they start to follow Esther, now you know say her way don't waka. He say e no good at all because the thing pay now. You understand? He said the thing pay now. He say how can Ebony go dey waka with Esther Edokpayi? Say Esther too know native daughter way. He say e no good. Because she talk another something. He say Ebony, wetin Ebony really dey do, e no good. How can Ebony go dey insult all the elders wey e dey inside the industry where she come meet? He say e no good. And true, e no good. Ebony, if you do all those things, go and apologize. You understand? So she come still talk another one. Say this Ebony, say na she dey really dey do begging, follow people. Say she no get, but she surprised to hear say Ebony dey dash people money. He say no, Ebony can beg money. Say mama no well, mama dey sick, mama dey this hospital, mama do this one, mama do this one. Another one wey come pay me pass. Our dear auntie Eunice, her fiancé abi her husband or husband man, where this our mommy they follow. He say the man, because we hear the matter that time, but how truth it is, we don't know. But we come to hear am for your moment again and say, Ebony break the home of this lady. Say he collect her husband man for her hand. We hear am many years ago, but we don't know how true because we know they inside the movie industry. Now, now the matter take come outside. They say now this Mommy Eunice now bring Ebony enter the industry. Mommy Eunice now Ebony come see collect husband from Mommy Eunice hand. So you say whether Ebony no know say now gay that they call her for inside that inside that industry. He say na part of Bekus now that they call Ebony. What Ebony can you do like that way you deserve that name, part of Bekus, my people. If really Ebony disrespect this auntie Eunice Omorege, e no good. If Ebony really collect husband from this auntie, e no good. Now no say get small children. Then when you go the same message, you understand? Before you know, they go start to dey eat the food where you dey eat. Sometimes I know they blame the guests. Now the men, you understand? Some women go even feel say maybe now their house help, now they use body they find their husband. Sometimes no. Now the men, they know they let the small girls rest. If we still look am, you understand? So now I say make I carry the matter come knock am for una table. You more blast Ebony well. He blast am well, say e no good at all. Now I say okay, now I just carry the matter. Make I come hit am for una table. Abeg before I go give una the full gist or release the video, give una. If you are just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I do upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. Happy New Year to everybody in the house. Thanks for your support. Thanks for being there for me. And may God bless you all. I really appreciate you all. So, my people, and so we see the matter where it dey grand. Now I say make I leave this video for una, make una come hear how Iyomo one of Spain they vandalize Ebony Obasuyi. He say her busybody e no good. Wetin she dey do e no good. Say why she go dey look down on all the elders. My people, that one e no good because they say okere ohyologan, meaning the new shall grow, you shall become old one day. So while looking down on elderly people, so you understand. So now so we see the matter for where they trend for social media. But my people, I no go to talk. I go leave una make una watch the full episode. Happy view, guys.
First and foremost, you know love Ebony proud of you. a proudness of a boni is too much. Kemi nuri ya here bonu were do ba ma ba. Ame man were do ba ba be ba ni ya se we. Okay, u bow down ni. Begging. Ma won't bow down on anybody. Who are you? You want me to was all my journey. A great swimmer, no Johnny, dear, just. Imegwa enwani nuwegwa vie iboro igo when nungwa enya igo when yarigo no. Of which they talk to me. Yeah, yeah, boni na wajia. Uwe vie inigo. Wa vie before maybe why you cry, no, I don't know, but uwe vie inigo. When of vie 10,000 naira, oh, can look how you 200,000 naira ga we say no ma. Just look at you. Now your mum who you know Latin. And a picture boy no how where you 50 only or my very no be just the kwe by even a picture no was you feed the 200,000 wale le can get. Obi dango table big binete. Me menace se gwa le go here. I can't do that. But in a condition man na give no je I want to rescue that person. Say he ne. We to about dash on one what dash on one. When I go why dash on 200,000 we have here. We have here 10,000 naira we were hospital ni ari go no no. We were hospital. Emi no ni edo dem ma. Abe okay he shi ni we gi 20 wa. Abi pe ya fe focalize ya fe 50 euro. Oh, you know the 50 euro we the 50 euro wa be dawo. Una wa be submit ye 50 euro. Bi that work euro pure. At the end, only we man give me the 50 euro we no ya na we ja dele me ba ni bet. Una nya yo topa. Yo we ya fin ka ekororo le we do ya kin. Who's the we do magite we abe ancestors no te we gwedele. Ye magi be gwedele me ye be fi. Who's the fin ya fi kororo be do. O magi mi ono igwe. Boy, maybe a period now. Next time I'll be okay. They go be me boy. Everybody go be them. I ya change jeep. You know where you 50 euro. You even 15 euro. You be never ya de la nyone mani reba. Okay, do me go video. I beg you, just take your time. When it's time and wafe ko wa room just plan. It's time for you to plan for your life. Have a fake life in any way living, it cannot help you. Why I go total? You will not plan for your life. the whole 18 local government will do that. All I ain't going to na okay. Na okay. Now wama. Ilafu obukana ma no straight eh. All the 18 local government is open there. Now ofone. Me why I beg go walele direction here. Now it's finished. Okuno my bio my ho. Bobu una bobu walele. Me why I beg go walele 18 local government is open. Again, me why I go over bunny. It's a finish of a waffle. Unless you come back, when they go to rearrange your life, you. That is my advice to you, my word for you. You come back and rearrange your life. Only no was there Zobo relating the government here. The end chapter. Well, I mean, why am I the end chapter? Only we can't do anything. We cannot go to why say you bonny they look for who they breathe to? Who they breathe?
And what is who they breathe to?
Who they breathe? Ebony ye gwalo no breathe. My je mi who they zuzu? Who they breathe? Yeah. Who they breathe?
They get money.
Yeah, they not get money. Who they breathe? Oh, wa iye wa gwalo no wa breathe here wa gwalo kia. Oh, what quality and the bono, my name of Britty. My meal, I'll tell you, Bonity, I mean of Britty, and get here not but 40 years in Ophone. Well, I want to say celebrity now.
I don't know, it's not a water ministry.
Okay, and what back? I'll do a sort of water ministry and the guy will give you away. Enjoy the guy will give you away again.
I better go, the guy there, the fans bad though.
When I want celebrity, I want that I can't really matter now. Although I will give it, majority of that will give it away. 18 local government is open, or one or see Yorino. So, what am I wearing? Don't worry. All you sort of water, you are little, all that will give. All lead there to that place. So you have to work here yourself if you can. Here the guy will give you away. So hey, come back. Mommy Odella was a one lana that dog for Kowamoga. I walk by Vania why Kowamen in they are repairing their life. Why I Kowale the boat the video.
Who they breathe?
Who they breathe? Who they breathe? I mean they breathe oh. I don't know no breathe me breathe. Et il y a fait vivre donc Huh? Okay. When bien así su no plan que yo. Wa be simonya shi me wa me wa be simonya shi de shake. Simonya shi de shake.
Simonya shi de shake. It dey shake.
It dey shake. So, Ebony, You have to come back home. You go reset a life well. All those fake life you were living in Rokorokpa no help you well. And you have to learn how to respect your seniors. Why respecting ya? Why are you jogging ya? You will no matter. I finish in the arenas. The bunny is not good though. We were only at them. I want to advise you to continue. No, when you continue. You knew me done with one year. When a man at all, and yes, that way. Or money man like you, where you here. Or my home settle with life you will. No home settle that. You understand? So, you know, I can like you with me. When you just respond, when you just Allah we not come down for Jesus. 2022 Allah you have to come down for Jesus. You make a planning life you will see. You make a number. I will do I will do have ìjọ mọmọ rẹ náà o wéré gbọ́dọ̀ o adógbèsíwòsíwò rẹ nù ọ ní òwò gbọ́dọ̀ rọnà òwò nà mí bá gbọ́n ọ̀rẹ́ nù ẹwà wọ àti fún ẹmu wẹrẹ àti àná tí fún ẹnu ẹwà tó nù nothing dey there because many people unless someone no mind we be the medina me so we my e magwa en we be ri omi e go to full egbu only few people all believe them in it only few ni ẹni jọ rẹ doje be go if I be advice whether nia o I dey advise you nia o ni jọ rẹ be do be ja we give away back well o because 18 local government is open of your eno oga we mu we gie we since we magi mi eni ọmọ mi no ri de ukweki bulare ugie udo bujore no be do ja we give away ima ho ni do ja we give away say na advice we na nu ko gba oko to nu we gbe oko to nu gbori on we ko to nu fe ko gba odo nu ahun me because we I do ku ne ba ne o mi no ga ri mu ebe do ni nwe we go na je pe kusu we ya fry I fry kororo ki ame do u fry ba and wo gba wa ni iwa me you my head I no dey get time ni mi aya mo you my head wa you iwa sale to me wa be ke ọmọ we ni ge je kini ajo iwa me you my head ni wa mo je ba ni ile jara o kan ati ni to nugo amure na me be Emmanuel I no get time for all those ones me get e free them no wa e no wa dey smart dey gbe ni wa mu after that one you me like maybe already come for 2 weeks or do you me like woo after that 2 weeks he go na he we bury we do me I will get bury we me no be o we fuba maybe ya get ekpe maka go carry igwe fashi go for one side o wa be only wa be fuba o be pe o maybe ba wa we tisune Eje na is enjoyment o my mother must die this year.
Wo.
Ah, ye mi agu be je na. Wo. Je mi agu be je na. O si gba ha inu anytime ya me beta. Correct oyibo. Oje mi agu.
Ejo awa we de no friend no gano.
Imo pa wa be ri o.
Ore mi owu.
Ngwa do fa me wa be ba ni wi je mi pe no giwu.
Ejo friend te be ore mi owu.
Me ama le je lo frasi. Èyí jero igo ne bu agwa re me igo no gwa re me ati si aye sende baba they want to do burial wa no me ado invite we ba wi je me wo wa do wa ba na wa do zebu ne bu ogun ya do wo oge no ge 2017 je me ku kwa do ya mo ya do fa we na de ba o se ina invite we mo pa oka egbe mo pa emi ya be fe mo pa family na trust nobody or everybody is a suspect.
No, real life, no one. What are 20 years? Send it now.
My second or yabu.
For a big your baby.
Oh, that would be a go.
At least 85 years.
Oh, I don't know why you're here or why you beg there. They only say heaven.
That's what I was supposed to be last.
era me ne bi gbe
Let
era me no ye la je ye jo oye ya to abe ti o wa se ra me ayo era me wa ye pa wa mo gbe pa o ya to abe ti o agi yan ita me we ne re le dojo o ma yo de ja ti wa se ni bi le gbo eri me we get 800 700 euro in ya the wig opa human hair who the wig human hair 700 you know na 10 by 10 oto ero nu ah wo ma we 700 we ya de wig no so ya do to pa una do to be na ho ma boy una do to be na 2 years next year otorin with 700 in it or increase to 1 million to another year every dog I iwa be de ya iwa be to bore iwa we ye beru ka iwa ni wa bi ni amaju we ka witi we a ho we get ti awe mu ise ti be se ise ti ye machine ya se beruka machine all those machine ya se beruka na to ya se to iwa we so all those ones not dey trim me emi no actually me o emi ni me wa we spend go me enjoy good a goat get koto abe to otora dele because wa do to pa be na who shot 0 do ya entice we at the end ọ go we €50 eye very anywhere ọ ga enebo ya de la nyo nebo. Is that not a disgrace? Proper disgrace in it now. Then me work your mess na. Sa no po. Oh, bona go hello keka no here time on the phone. The first day me am me. Before me came no go your bonnet. Hello keka. My boy was sa no po me la oh. It was bad luck or setback. I rebuke it. Me wa be divine na mo salo be ma igwa lo me. Yo ma igwa lo be o, ma igwa lo. A movie now was tough. Only go see what we have. Oh well, the Lord say I will marry you. The Lord say I will marry you. Why they burning out the young marry back way? Alright, come me no marry you. Where the Lord say I will marry you. My way with the Nigeria I will give you. You know what say? You know I could advise you. When I make Nigeria I will give you away. Nigeria I will give you away. Wow. Which I will give away. Again, Manuel. It's only what I say. Oh, just you know, a word is enough for the wise. And one part of my or so in course movie. And one part of what I do time away. When young winning whenever the social media no gay. So any you have gain again him well. Or he when a shabbat will try one way of the other or young in for. And you must have to respect your elders in the industry. I will have a fair friend with what disrespecting you. You have to respect them. And come out and apologize to all of them who were like, a man will not see it's a way issue. All you hear in Nigeria. One with any one when you're the sumu bebo, which was here you will be. One with hair, one with more in one member, which was where you will be. So they will not forgive you. You understand what I'm saying? So that everything will go on fine with you. Or turn away any no you were Okwano, Wawanore, Rati, and no rare, no jail, you are like ọlọ́run làjà tó gún ẹ̀gbọ́n nítorí òhìn ẹ̀yà kún ẹ̀. I'm ready. You want me to tell you for it? Oh, my boom, where jiggy. They told wow, and ye ho, no, that were my sister, and give me going and my yama. My yama progress. I must say advice with other people, no feel the pain. I advise you, and while I don't insult you, you are very stupid. Come back for me, come back for you. Okay, now bye bye. Oh, yeah, watch this movie. Will I say they're interesting?